Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have the flight test video for the S1Pro Orientation Kit. The main purpose of this flight is to test the accuracy performance of the S1Pro RTK. For assembling this drone flight test, we use the following products: S1Pro Remote Controller, S1Pro Module, S1Pro Directional Module, 915 Receiver, Directional Module Antenna, S1Pro Module Antenna, SkyDroid C10 Camera, Tattoo Battery, and Hexoon EDU 450 frame. After assembling and debugging the drone, we prepare for takeoff. First, we connect the power without installing the propellers. Turn on the remote controller, and launch the SkyDroid ground station. We unlock the motors and check if the motor direction is correct. Once confirmed, we install the propellers. Next, we turn on the base station by pressing and holding the switch for 3 seconds. When the green light shows, it indicates that the base station is on and has sufficient power. We then press and hold the M button for 3 seconds, which lights up the blue indicator, showing that the base station is in Bluetooth mode. Pressing and holding the M button again for 3 seconds turns off the blue light, indicating it has switched to 915 receiver mode. When the blue light starts to blink, it means it is functioning normally, and we can see that the GPS is in RTK mode on the remote controller. Before takeoff, we marked a takeoff point on the ground. The drone took off and, just before losing visual contact, we initiated the automatic return. We observed that the drone accurately landed back on the takeoff point. After the test, the S1Pro Orientation Kit demonstrated stability and precision throughout the flight. Thank you for watching. For more content, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.